Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Bitfinex. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the identity verification process. This ensures your account is secure and compliant. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Once verified, you can proceed to fund your account using various methods available on the platform. To fund your account, navigate to the deposit section. You can select from several options, including traditional bank transfers or various cryptocurrencies. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to generate the correct deposit address or banking details. Always double-check the information before confirming your transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. Once your account is funded, head to the trading interface. Select the Bitcoin versus US dollar trading pair. You'll then choose your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and confirm your order. After your order is filled, your newly acquired Bitcoin will appear in your Bitfinex wallet. For long-term security, many users choose to withdraw their Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet. Bitfinex also offers advanced trading features and opportunities like staking, allowing you to potentially grow your holdings further. Always prioritize the security of your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.